Once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans go around with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry. This life is a party. I'm never growing up. Was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems. When I get it, I'm a pound it up. Now I'm dope on the ground. We can toast so fresh. How we flow. Everybody get this down. Once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans.
Alright, so here we are on the fourth build of the Mad Truck. I'm going to start by putting together the bearing carriers. Now, for the fronts, we use these. These are reach to the differential perfect, so I know that these ones are the fronts. And for the rears, you have these, and these just connect. Goes from this, and then to the differential in the car, which I am missing the rear differential. There we go, and now what I'm going to do is grab a little bar. I think I'm missing some washers, because normally a washer would go in before you put the bar in. This little bar in that hole there. Then you take a hex hub and you line up the hole there on the bar, and then it should just snap into place. Now I'm going to attach the front hex hubs here, front hubs and drive shafts, to the, I suppose you'd call these caster blocks, I'd say. So you slip the drive shaft through the little hole in the, I don't know if my light's quite catching up, but there's a little hole there in the cast block, and the drive shaft goes through that, and then in there you can see there's a little slot for the drive shaft to slip into. And then once that's done, you just need to grab some threaded screws and just screw it in. Install these little things onto the chassis. These actually hold the arms onto the car, because the arms just have pins in them and the pins go in here. So I'm going to install them now. Alright, there we go. So now the arms are attached to the car.